Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Today, we are making acrylic earrings. But not just any earrings. These are going to be some two-color acrylic earrings, meaning one design split in half, where the top part of the design is going to be one color and the bottom part is going to be another color of acrylic. Because one color is better than two, and it'll help you stand out from the others. Others meaning one color acrylic earrings. In this project, we will be using 1/8 inch thick clear acrylic, 1/8 inch thick mirror gold acrylic, gold jump rings so we can connect the two pieces of acrylic together, and some gold colored fish hooks so they can hang from the ear. Now we're about to jump into Coreldraw so we can split the design in half and add circle cutouts for the jump rings and the fish hook to connect to it to make it one whole piece. Okay, now we are in Coreldraw, and this butterfly design that I have here, I got it from Pixabay. We need to turn this PNG into a vector. And how we're going to do that, we're going to select the design. We're going to go up here, we're going to trace bitmap, and we're going to go to outline trace, line art. Let it do its thing. And I always have delete original checked right here because I don't need this PNG anymore at the top. We just need the vector file. Press OK. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, we got to add a hairline around it so when we unfill it, we can see all of the vector pieces. And how we're going to do that is we're going to go up here to this outline tool right here where it says none. We're going to select it and we're going to add a hairline, and we're going to go over here and I'm going to unfill it. Now that it's a vector, make the design the size of the earrings that we want. Okay, cool. We need to cut this design in half. And how I plan on doing that is I'm going to go over here and we're going to select this 2-point line right here, and I'm just going to grab it and I'm going to select, and I'm just going to create me a straight line going across something like this. We're going to change it to a hairline so we can match in with all of the other hairlines of the butterfly design. And we did that so we can split it right in half. So now we got to add cutout for the jump ring. And I'm going to go over here, select this shape tool right here, and we're going to create us a circle. Let's change it to hairline. And the size that I'm going to go with is 0.79, 0.79 to make it all the way even around. And we're going to take this and we're going to place our cutout for the jump ring like right here, like so. But as we zoom in, you can see that it's interfering with one of the butterfly shapes. To move this shape, we just select the butterfly design, and we need to go up here to go to object to break curve apart. Because what this tool right here does is going to break all of these little bitty pieces that's inside of the butterfly apart so you can move them around. That's why we had to turn that PNG into a vector. So we're going to break curve apart. So now we can select this piece right here and just press the arrow key and move it over, move it up just to blend it in a little bit, make it look cool. And we can take our little cutout for the jump ring and move it something like that. So now we need to add 3 more cutouts that's going around. Now that we added us some cutout for the jump ring, we need to add a cutout up at the top so we can hook another jump ring to it and also the fish hook. So I'm just gonna go over here, select one of the cutouts that we already did, Command C, Command V for copying and paste it, and we're just gonna place it right here in the center. Then we're gonna use this same one, Command V, we're gonna select it, and we're just gonna make it the size a little bit bigger than the one that we just created and let it connect right there in the center like so. So we can zoom in. Let's make it a little bit bigger, just like that. Center it again. Okay, that looks cool. And you want to make sure that the lines are intersecting with the butterfly design or with whatever you're hooking it to. We're missing one little step. We're going to go over here. We're going to select this virtual segment delete tool. This is my favorite tool right here, and it basically lets you delete segments of the design within the design basically. So we can just go right here and delete this one and delete that, and it automatically shows like a connection with the design. So when you cutting it out, it won't cut out everything that the line's seeing right here. So let's delete this one and also this one. and it gives us a piece so we can connect the jump ring to and the fish hook to. Go over to our select tool, and this is one of my other favorite tools right here, is the smart fill. So we're just gonna select the smart fill tool, and we're going to select somewhere in the butterfly design, not in one of the cutouts, but within the design like this, and it's going to select it, and we're going to do the same thing to the bottom like that. So then we're going to use our select tool. We're going to select the top design, that filling we just did. We're going to move it over like so. We're going to unfill it. It already has a hairline around it, and as you can see, that's the top part of the design that we're going to have. And we're going to do the same thing to the bottom. Select that part that's colored, that filling, that smart fill that we just did. Move it over, unfill it, and let's zoom in. And as you can see, this is how I cut out this design, but also split it in half. As you can see, we're gonna hook a jump ring to this end, and it's gonna go up to this side, and also the same on this side. And this is what we're gonna hook a jump ring to, and the fish hook, so it can hang from the ear. And that's how I created this 2-colored acrylic design in Coreldraw. Also created a set of bumblebee earrings and a set of ladybug earrings. Okay, we got the top part cut out and the bottom part. So we're basically going to take these jump rings right here, and we're going to connect them to this end right here, and on that end right there. And we're going to take the smaller jump ring right here, and we're going to connect it to the top along with the fish hook. We have a butterfly, a ladybug, and a bumblebee. Laser cut 2-colored acrylic earrings. In the description below, there will be a PDF file if you would like to try these out for yourself. In the comments, let me know which one you like of the 3. And I will see y'all in the next project. Let's go make something else. Peace.